I work this problem, I want to show you something else. If you had x plus y equal 5, and then let's say you had 2x plus y equal 8, you've got two equations and two unknowns, and you're able to solve for x and y here. For example, you could take this top equation and let x equal 5 minus y, and then plug that 5 minus y in for x in this second equation, and you see you could solve for y. Okay, so if you've got two unknowns, you need two equations or a trick. But if you have two unknowns and two equations with the same two variables, you are going to be able to solve that problem. So now with this one, the total price of 5 pounds of regular coffee and 3 pounds of decaffeinated coffee was $21.50. So if I let me erase this piece over here. Oops, it's not working. There we go. So if I let R be the price of regular coffee, and if I let D be the price of decaffeinated, I can write an equation from what's given. The total price of 5 pounds of regular coffee, so 5 pounds times the price of each pound, so that's 5R, plus 3 pounds price of decaffeinated would be $21.50. And I'm getting this from just what's given. What was the price of the 5 pounds of regular coffee? So I would need to find R. So clue 1. If the price of 5 pounds of regular coffee had been reduced by 10%, well, if it was reduced by 10%, you'd be paying 90% of the cost. So 0.9 times the 5 pounds of regular, and then the price of the 3 pounds of decaffeinated is reduced by 20%, so you'd be paying 80% of 3 pounds of decaffeinated, and that gives you a price of $18.45. So I've got an equation here with an R and a D, and I've got an equation here with an R and a D. I could put those two together and I could solve for R. So clue 1 works. Clue 2, the price of the 5 pounds of regular coffee, okay, price of 5 pounds of regular coffee was $3.50 more than 3 pounds of the decaffeinated. So that would be decaffeinated plus $3.50. So once again, you've got an equation with two different variables, and if you put that with this, you will be able to solve for R or D. R is what we're looking for. So the answer here is D. Both clues work independently.